Welcome. In front of me is a Narzo 50i Prime, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick overview of this phone. So anyway, let's just pop it open. Now I'll start off by saying that this is basically one of the most budget phones you can get, coming at around 90 euros. So it is pretty cheap. So gonna see what we get for that price. Okay, so we don't get a charger apparently. And we get it June 22nd of 2022, and they still freaking include a micro freaking USB. Whatever, I guess I can overlook this considering this is the cheapest phone ever, but like, wake the hell up. It's not a year for that anymore. Anyway, display right here is a 6.5-inch display, 720 by 1600. It's an IPS LCD display with an average brightness of about 400 nits. So I will be probably comparing it quite often to the Realme C30, which I'm gonna just kind of bring to the frame right here. So this is the Realme C30, and Narzo is Realme, obviously, and this phone costs a little bit more, a little bit over $100, and yet I did an unboxing literally like before this one and failed to see the purpose of this phone existing, considering it is worse or the same. Actually, yeah, it's basically the same phone in every kind of possible way. Same processor, almost same exact amount of RAM, same battery, same screen, and yet it costs more, while only including a charger, which isn't good. It isn't worth even like a $10 charger. So you know, even the design of them is really similar, as you can see. So yeah, I'm kind of confused why this phone is more expensive when it's virtually the same thing. But anyway, so to quickly go over this, like I said, the display, so let's move over to the camera. On the back we have only a single camera, which is fine, though it's 8 megapixel wide sensor, and then at the front we got a 5 megapixel wide sensor, so nothing really special. But then it is one of the cheapest phones I think I have held in my hand so far, so it's still good that it has cameras, I guess. We have also a Unisec Tiger T612 as a processor, and we have two options for it. We have the 3 gig or 4 gig version with RAM, and depending on which one you pick, the 3 gig RAM version comes with 32 gigs of storage, while the 4 gig RAM version comes with 64 gigs built-in storage. Now, in both cases, you can expand the battery further using a SD card. So I'm gonna just kind of pop it out. As you can see, we have dual SIM along with an SD expansion slot, so you can expand it further, which is really nice, no matter what the price range of the phone is. And we have a 5000 milliamp hour battery, which is really nice, with a relatively low performance chip. This battery should last a fairly decent amount of time. And obviously we are lacking in a lot of things that you might be expecting from normal phones, like NFC, any kind of fast charging, fingerprint sensor. So this is as bare bone as it can get to just a typical phone. It doesn't have 5G, and it looks like it doesn't have even Wi-Fi 5 gigahertz support. So yeah, like I said, this is basically what you expect when you say I want just a phone to call. So that's what you get in modern age. And honestly, for a cheapest phone that like I said, I ever held in my hand, it's not a bad deal, to be honest. I'm pretty sure there are probably devices that will work worse than this for more than this. And if you're looking as an example for a phone that you can just kind of go camping with, toss around and not really care too much about, yeah, this is a good phone to kind of like even throw away. It won't be the fastest thing, but obviously for that price you don't expect that. So yeah, not much more to say about it. It is a budget device. So that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.